Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change temperature units on your LG refrigerator. First, find the control panel, usually on the front door or inside. Then, locate the freezer and refrigerator buttons. These are key for switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit. This process is quick and easy, taking only a few seconds to complete. Let's get started with the simple steps. To initiate the change, you'll need to press and hold both the freezer and refrigerator buttons at the same time. It's important to press them simultaneously. Keep holding them down for approximately 5 seconds. You don't need to navigate through complex menus. This specific button combination acts as a shortcut for the unit conversion. As you hold the buttons, watch the temperature display. After about 5 seconds, you will see the unit switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa, depending on its current setting. This action directly toggles the display unit. Release the buttons once your desired temperature unit, Fahrenheit, is shown on the screen. Once you release the buttons, confirm that your refrigerator's display now clearly shows temperatures in Fahrenheit. The numerical values will automatically adjust to reflect the new unit. If you ever wish to switch back to Celsius, simply repeat these same steps. This method works for many LG refrigerator models, ensuring your preferred temperature display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.